Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. You just purchased a wok and looking for something simple, easy, but delicious. This mushroom and onion dish is ideal for you to try it out. A stir-fry mushroom and onion is perfect for different types of main dishes, all the way from hamburger to chicken and to steak. In the following, I will offer you 8 tips on how to make this dish easily and successfully. Number 1, onion. I will use red onion in this demonstration. I like red onion because of its sweetness. I sliced up 1 red onion. It is relatively large, so I'm going to only use half of it and save the other half for a different dish later on. A sliced onion have a shelf life about 5 days, so I always have some sliced onion available in my refrigerator ready to be used. This is the advantage of prepping in advance. You will have ingredients ready to go anytime. Number 2, a mushroom. I'm going to use portobello mushroom for this demonstration. I preferred it over white mushroom because of its texture. I do not wash the mushroom unless it is really dirty. Mushroom, when they get wet, they deteriorate rapidly. Cooking the mushroom make them safe to eat. I will wash them unless I'm going to eat them raw. I slice the mushroom with the stem on. This way I will not waste anything. When you prep the mushroom like this, they actually has a longer shelf life, lasting up to 10 days in the refrigerator. Number 3, a wok and wok spatula. The wok is perfect for making this dish. A 14-inch wok is the perfect size to use to cook this dish. And a stainless steel wok spatula works better than any other type of spatula. Number 4, seasoning the wok. If this is the first time you are using this wok, please take a look at my video on how to spot season a wok. I always spot season a wok before each cooking session. To spot season the wok, heat up the wok at high setting until the oil starts to smoke gently, and then turn the heat to low and let the oil to smoke for another 15 seconds. Number 5, managing the heat. One of the most important skills in stir fry is know how to manage the heat. When the oil starts to smoke, it means that the oil is breaking down. Actually, at this point, the oil will season the wok. However, this is a time you want to control the heat because you don't want the oil to smoke excessively, because that is going to set off your smoke detector. So there's a fine line in getting the oil as hot as possible, but without having it breaking down excessively. Number 6, stir frying the onion. After you have seasoned the wok, then you add the onion to the wok. Use the back of the spatula to push the onion over the surface of the wok. And then turn the spatula over and use the front of the spatula as a shovel to toss the food in the wok. Using this motion, it will allow you to cook the onion evenly and thoroughly. Number 7, stir frying the portobello mushroom. Once the onion has reached the desired texture, add 4 cups of portobello mushroom to the wok. The mushroom adds significant bulk to the content of the wok. So in this case, you need to use the shovel motion to make sure everything mixed together well. A mushroom absorbs oils from the wok, so I use my oil squeeze bottle to add some additional oil. It is important at this point to make sure all the contents are mixed thoroughly. Number 8, adding wine. This is the stage of the cooking that you want to add some moisture. I choose to add some rice wine, but you can add any other type of wine or just simply water. Wines add a great deal of flavor to the mushroom because mushroom absorb moisture readily and incorporating its flavor. This dish is fast. The cook time is about 3 minutes. I call this a template rather than a recipe because there are more room for variations, which I will show you in future videos. This is a great dish to practice in using the wok. I would suggest you to go get some mushroom and onion and give this a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notifications of my future video postings. See you next time.